Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we read tackling one of life's biggest challenges: how to save money without feeling like you re-sacrificing all the fun. We all want a healthier bank account, right? But the thought of cutting out every single enjoyable thing can be a huge turn-off. Well, get ready, because I am about to show you how to effortlessly save anywhere from $100 to $500 every single month, all while still living your best life. Seriously, you won't feel broke, I promise. Let's dive in. First up, and this is a big one, let's talk about stopping emotional spending. You know the drill. Had a tough day. Treat yourself. Feeling bored. Online shopping spree. These little pick-me-ups often come with a hefty price tag and instant regret. The key isn't to never treat yourself, but to become aware of why you're spending. Before you hit that buy now button or swipe your card, take a deep breath and ask yourself, am I buying this out of genuine need or desire? Or am I just trying to fill an emotional void? Sometimes, simply acknowledging the emotion can empower you to find a healthier, cheaper outlet. Maybe a walk, a chat with a friend, or a good book could be just as satisfying and free. This small pause can save you hundreds over time, trust me. Next, let's make saving completely effortless. Automate your savings. This is probably the most powerful tip on this list because it requires absolutely no willpower once it is set up. Decide on a realistic amount, whether it's $25, $50, or $100, and set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. You won't even miss the money because you'll never see it in your main account. It's like magic. Your savings will grow steadily in the background without you having to think about it. Imagine hitting your savings goals without even trying. That's the power of automation. My third secret weapon is the 30-day rule before buying. This one is brilliant for curbing impulse purchases. For any non-essential item you're thinking about buying, something over, say, $50 or $100, write it down and wait 30 days. Seriously, just wait. If you still genuinely want or need it after a month, then go ahead and make the purchase. You'll be amazed at how many things you thought you needed will completely lose their appeal during that waiting period. Most impulse buys are fleeting desires, and this rule helps you differentiate between a true want and a passing fancy, saving you from buyer's remorse and unnecessary expenses. Now for a fun one. Earn cashback and rewards. Why leave money on the table? Many credit cards offer fantastic cashback percentages on groceries, gas, or general purchases. If you're responsible with credit and always pay your balance in full every month, this is basically free money back on things you were going to buy anyway. Also, look into loyalty programs, store apps, and rebate apps. They offer points, discounts, or cashback for your regular shopping. A few dollars here and there might not seem like much, but these savings add up quickly, allowing you to get a little extra back just for spending smart. And finally, my favorite part, invest the difference. This is where your money really starts to work for you. Once you've stopped emotional spending, automated your savings, used the 30-day rule, and earned some cash back, you'll find you have extra money. Don't just let it sit there. Take those extra savings, that $100, $300, or even $500 you've freed up each month, and invest it. Whether it's in a low-cost index fund, a diversified portfolio, or even contributing more to your retirement accounts, investing allows your money to grow exponentially over time thanks to the power of compounding. This isn't just saving, it's building wealth. So there you have it. 5 simple yet incredibly effective habits to save hundreds of dollars every month without ever feeling deprived. These aren't about radical cuts. They're about smart choices that empower your financial future. Give them a try and watch your bank account grow. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-saving strategies, and share this video with anyone who needs a little financial boost. I love hearing your success stories, so let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.